In the heart of this village, a transformative journey is unfolding. Welcome to the Kingdom Leadership Program, where Christian leaders are rediscovering their purpose and their identity as ambassadors of the Kingdom of God. This program is a beacon of light, guiding these leaders through a 3D stage of growth. Discover, dream, and do. Let's delve into this profound journey of how this is impacting their lives and their communities. Tito, can you tell us how this transformation takes place?
Yeah, it all begins with Kingdom Leadership trainings. 2 days of exploring each and every participant's life. We use the Wheel of Life. It's a tool that we use for each and every participant to go through all his or her corners of life with honesty, truth, and the vulnerabilities, just to rediscover who he is.
As the layers of their lives are peeled back, so the program's philosophy comes to life. As the head is healed, so the body thrives.
This workshop helped me with interconnecting my personal life and my leadership roles in my communities.
This workshop, they trained me very well. I'm so proud about this workshop. Yes.
With newfound clarity from the leadership workshop, the leaders embark on the next stage of the process, the dreaming stage. With generative dialogue and community mapping, this helps empower the leaders to understand their communities deeply. There's something about generative dialogue. What is that?
Yeah, we use generative dialogue to understand and analyze the needs of the communities in a safe space, and also community mapping. Community mapping is another tool that we use for people to see the resources they have in the communities, the services that are needed, and how to collaborate together towards the calling they are calling in the community.
So through this workshop, we had dialogue and community mapping, which actually helped us to see how the church can be a catalyst in the change in the community.
Ingisize kakhulu ukuthi sengiyazi ukuthi ukuya esontweni is not just it's about going to esontweni kuphela, kodwa ukuthi senze izinto zenzeke, nanokuthi sazi ukuthi intoni esizoyinikeza umphakathi, rada ukuthi umphakathi kube khona esinikeza khona. Kusho ukuthi ukuthi kuphela wena uwenzela ibandla, umphakathi, isonto, abantu, ukuzinikela wena ebantwini. Sacrifice yourself.
The journey culminates in the dreaming dreams and the doing stage. This final day is a collaborative effort between the leaders and their communities to help forge a vision for the future. United by a shared purpose, the church and the community come together to build a bridge for a better tomorrow.
This workshop helps us to understand or empower our vision.
It has been an eye-opener to me, especially to know that as a man of God you need to balance when it comes to ministry, and also it has helped me to understand the vital of studying as a pastor, because most of the time sometimes we only concentrate on one thing, but for us to do ministry we need to do more than that. There are family involved, we need to balance as a man of God.
The Kingdom Leadership Program embodies a 3D approach: discover, dream, and do. Through 3 intense days, leaders are transformed, communities empowered, and the kingdom of God is advanced. It's a journey that embraces our inherent connection with one another. By serving our communities, we reflect the very essence of God's love and His compassion. As the sun sets on this community, it rises with a new chapter of hope transformation, and empowerment, driven by Kingdom Leadership. The Kingdom Leadership Program. Rediscover purpose, transform communities.